Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing good and safe. Today I'm super excited because I'm launching my own digital printable planner. So basically you can use it digitally, or if you want you can take printout and write it. In this video I'm going to tell you what kind of pages or categories you will get in my planner and how it will look after taking the printout. And tomorrow I'm going to make another video where I will show how you can use it digitally, which is absolutely free. And in part I will show how I'm going to plan my August month with this printout. I have made two types of printable planner. One is minimalist and other one is decorative with lots of stickers. In this video I'm going to take you through all the pages. I will show you each and every pages in detail, and end of this video I'm going to talk about the price and how you can buy it. So now let's jump onto the video. In both planners you will get total 9 different categories. First category is monthly planner, second is monthly planner questions, third is mental health, fourth is habit tracker, fifth is self-care checklist, sixth is one line for each day, seventh is budget tracker, eighth one is daily planner which you will get 31 pages, and last ninth is monthly review questions. So now let's go into detail. Both planners have same questions, but only difference is the look and feel. Once you open the monthly planner, first thing you will see that is month. It is obviously undated, so you can use it for any month, and not only any month, you can use it for years. So this is the advantage of digital planner. Once you buy, you can use it for years. You don't have to buy it again and again. It is just one time purchase. Left side you will see month. Here you have to write down the dates manually in every month. Then right side you will see this month will be, it is like a quote. You can write anything. This month will be full of blessings or miracles or good things, etc. Then below that you will see goals. You will write down your goals. Then below the goals you will see appointments, then birthdays, and left side you will see that month's to-do list. In colorful planner, only the difference you will see, that is this month is written down at the end. Next page you will see skills to learn, movies to watch, new things to try, books to read, places I want to visit, shopping list. So basically whatever plans you have for that month, you are going to make a list. Now move on to next page, which is mental health category. I am very much concerned about mental health. That's why I added this category in my planner. Here you can see that in mental health category I have added stress, overthinking, emotional pain and mood. So basically you have to draw the line according to your pain. Y-axis you will see days and x-axis you will see the intensity. So if you see the stress category, you can see in x-axis I have written low to extreme. That means draw the line according to your pain. If it is low at first day of the month, then you will point out at low. If it is extreme next day, then you are going to draw the line till extreme. Same thing for overthinking and emotional pain. But in mood category it is little bit different, because in X category I have added bad, good and awesome. So accordingly your mood you are going to draw the line. First day your mood is awesome, second day your mood is good, third day your mood is bad, like this way. Next is habit tracker, which is my favorite. Here you are going to write all those habits you want to track in that particular month, and in that circle you will get to see 31 boxes. That means 31 days. So basically you are going to fill the boxes with colors, and those days when you skip your habit, that particular box will be empty. Below that you will get to see sleep tracker. Here I have added 8 p.m. to morning 8 a.m. and left side you can see dates. So you are going to fill the hours boxes with the color, like how long you are going to sleep. Suppose I have slept at 12 o'clock, and next day I woke up at 7 o'clock. Then 2nd August I have slept 11 o'clock, and next day I woke up 6 o'clock. So like this way you have to fill the boxes. Next is self-care checklist. You guys know that how much I love self-care, so I have added this self-care checklist. So you should not miss any essential self-care habits in that particular month. So here I have added morning mindful routine, home reset, beauty, before bed ritual, healthy body, healthy mind, and extra self-care ideas. In mindful morning category, you will see meditation, exercise, drink 1 liter of water, morning pages of journaling, morning walk. In home reset, you will get clean bed every week, laundry, take care of plants, dusting, cleaning your workspace every day. In beauty category, you will see AM, PM skincare routine, exercise, hot bath, face mask, oil champi, waxing, or any kind of maintaining hygiene. Take care of your feet, which we tend to forget always. Then in bed, before bed ritual, wear comfy clothes, light candle, gratitude journaling, hot drink, visualize your ideal life before going to sleep. For healthy body, I have added eating lots of vegetables, taking vitamins, 8 glasses of water every day, 8 hours of sleep every day, power nap, sun bath for vitamin D. In healthy mind category, I have added mindfulness practice, listen music, listen podcast, social media detox, clean cluttered area, brain dump journaling. And in extra self-care ideas, you will get to see make menu for the week, me time, shopping with friends, a mini dance party, enjoy breakfast, give your eyes a break, walk in the nature, learn something new, cook your favorite meal, unfollow people who make you sad, enjoy breakfast, and do nothing. So basically you will go through this page and you will check what kind of self-care activity you can do on particular that day. The next is one line for every day. In my several plan with me video, I have shown this category. So you are going to write the highlight of the day. You have to write every day just one line. Next category is budget tracker. This is a new insert I have added. The first part you will see income. Here you are going to write your sources of income, then amount, date, and notes. Below that you will see expenses. Here you are going to write item, amount, date, and notes. And at the end you can see the savings. So basically you are going to write the total income and total expenses. You are going to minus that and you will get your that month's savings. So I hope till now it is clear. If you are not clear, it is totally fine. Tomorrow I am going to do plan with me. So there I am going to write it in detail. So you will get more clear idea from that video. The next you will see daily planner. Daily planner you will get 31 pages. First thing you will see left side, that is date. You are going to write the date. Then you will see today's weather. So I have designed 5 types of weather. Then below that you will see to-do list. Then you will see schedule where you will see mornings 7 a.m. to night 10 p.m. You can write what time you are going to do what things. At the end you will see notes and doodles. Then right side on top you will see affirmations of the day. First thing you are going to write, that is affirmations. You can write anything. I am strong, I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am loved by everyone. Any affirmations which you love. Next thing you will see, that is appointment. You are going to write that day's appointments. Then top 3 priorities. Mainly you are going to write main top 3 tasks you want to finish that day. Then meal planner, you can write whatever you are going to cook that day. Then at the night you can rate your day. If it is good then you can rate 5. If it is bad then you can just rate 1. Then next you will see did I work for my goals today. Then exercise, yes or no. Water, you will see the 8 glasses of water. The next is favorite song of the day. So I have this habit, if I like one song I keep on listening that same song whole day. So if you have that habit, you can write the song's name. The next is gratitude. Before going to bed, you are going to write all the things you are grateful for. And last is today's accomplishment. So this is kind of reward thing you're going to give to yourself. Even if the day was not great, still you can write that today I tried. Maybe it is not that great, but I have tried. I didn't give up. These small things will make you feel really special, really good. So because of this reason, I have added this category, because I love to think about the accomplishments so that I can sleep with positivity. And last is monthly review questions. You are going to answer this question at the end of the month. Here I have added 10 questions. First question is, am I happy with how the month went? Second is, rate the month out of 10. Third is, what is my main focus next month? Fourth is, what are the good things happened this month? Fifth is, what are the things happened this month which I didn't like? Sixth is, which habits should I continue working on next month and why? Seventh is, what challenges did I face this month? Eighth is, what lesson did I learn this month and how did I grow as a person? Ninth is, was there anything holding me back from reaching my goals? And last, 10th is, what goals do I have for next month? So every month, if you answer this question, you will get to know where you are standing right now, what kind of improvement you had this month, and what kind of self-improvement you need for next month. So if you practice this habit every month in larger scale, you will see that you have made huge improvement journey. So this is my digital printable planner. If you buy it once, you can use it for months, years, how long you want to use it. This is just a one-time investment. Now let's talk about the price. I have kept 49 rupees for minimalist planner and 59 rupees for decorative planner. If you want to buy this directly, you can mail me. I will write every detail in the description box so that you won't have any problem. And through mail, I will tell you how to do the payment. So I hope you all like this video. If you can't buy this product, it is totally fine, because every month I'm going to make a plan with me where I'm going to do bullet journaling video, and tomorrow I'm going to show you how you can digitally every month you can write your own planner. So I hope you all like this video. If you have any queries, please comment down below. I will see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, bye.